finished painting the master bedroom today using Sherwin-Williams Duration. The color was Ocean Tropic by Benjamin Moore. Used the satin finish on the walls and trim. I ended up doing 3 coats on the walls. These dark colors don't cover that well. And I did 2 coats on the trim. Well, this customer's pretty handy. So he had stripped the wallpaper and primed the walls. If you're planning on using a dark color, you can have the primer tinted to the color of the paint. It helps, and then it'll help the top coat cover a lot better. Or you can plan on doing 3 coats. You want to get a nice rich finish. So this was on the first day after I put the first coat on this one wall. Just wanted to see how it would set up and how great it would cover. You can see it's kind of spotty. You can see the white coming through. So that's after 1 coat. I use a Purdy White Dove roller cover, 9-inch, with a 3/8 nap, and that seems to cover the walls pretty good. So you want to make sure you use the right roller cover. I like to use the Worcester Ultra Pro 2.5-inch brush. Definitely don't skimp out on the brush. The brushes make a big difference, so get yourself a good brush. So if you're planning on doing any painting and you're going to use a dark color, a red, a dark green, dark blue, just plan on doing 3 coats for best results. And thanks for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks.